So hey you guys, I'm just jumping on here real quick to show you guys the Wanda Unit. And the Wanda Unit is a transparent lace 13 by 4, full 13 by 4, deep wave 150 density unit in 14 inches. And as you can see, you get all of your parting space so you can do deep side parts. The hair can be colored. I'm wearing the Wanda Unit in this video. And it does come with your combs and adjustable straps. If you want to wear your unit glueless, it does help with the glueless method. And I'm just going on and showing you guys that you can literally part this all the way back, even on the sides, because some wigs you can't even do that with. And this is just the Wanda Unit. The lace looks so good. It's transparent. This hair can be blown out and silk pressed for a straight look, and you can just add water to revert the curls back. Wanda Unit is great for vacation or for anyone that wants a natural look. You can achieve so many beautiful looks with deep wave hair. And a Wanda Unit is exactly what you're looking for if you are going for that type of look. And this unit does come pre-plucked, so you don't even have to pluck your unit if you don't want to. I always say the less plucking, the longer your wig will last. And I'm just going to the back of the unit to show you guys how full she is. Even though she's only 150 density, she is super full.